Greetings and welcome to the channel. Now, we all know that imagination creates reality and that visualization is the core of Neville Goddard's teachings and philosophy. But what about people that cannot visualize or have problems creating an imaginal scene visually? Can they manifest without visualization? In this video, you will learn if it is possible to manifest without visualization and the use of imaginal acts, and if possible, why and how to manifest without the use of visualization. So, can you manifest without the use of an imaginal scene? The short answer is yes, but let me explain. So, yes, it is possible to manifest without visualization methods. As a matter of fact, it is quite common for people not to be able to visualize, and not only this, but also for people that can visualize or create imaginal scenes, the entire process, instead of being an exciting procedure, it becomes frustrating and even enraging. If you have tried to visualize but you can, then stop forcing it. There are other ways that I'm going to explain in a while. I am sure many of you have manifested something unintentionally, either good or bad, without any form of visualization. So, how did this happen? It is because subconsciously you held the belief of its realization. Feeling is the secret behind anything. The change of states, inner conversations, assumptions, and even the law focuses on the feeling. Behind every technique, the main focus is to create the feeling of the was fulfilled, to build the belief inside you that you already have the desire. One of the many solutions is to use imagination, but not visually. Last Monday night, a friend asked me for help, so that night I spent a half hour imagining I heard the words he would say if his desire were realized. Just before I awoke, the next morning the friend's wife appeared in my dream and thanked me for my help. So, try imaginal scenes that include other people talking and mentally hearing the desired result, like the congratulations technique, or simply imagine hearing close friends, relatives, or any other person speaking to you, like the desire is completed. My friend mentally heard the words he would hear if his desire for his friend were fulfilled. Of course, you can always use small phrases like "isn't it wonderful" or "thank you," focusing mostly on the feeling of the wish fulfilled. You can even manifest by controlling your inner conversations and assumptions. But don't forget, whatever you wish to use all of your senses to get submerged in the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Now, if you're not aware of the techniques I just mentioned, I have created individual videos dedicated to these techniques that explain exactly what they are and how to use them, so feel free to check them out. And of course, this is the end of our video. Now, don't forget, I try to answer the majority of the comments, so if you have any questions, suggestions or recommendations, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. And of course, if you enjoy this kind of content, you can always leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and of course turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching.